Today, we're diving deep into AWeber, one of the most well-known email marketing tools on the market. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or a blogger, AWeber promises to make email marketing simple and effective. But is it really as good as it claims? Let's explore everything step by step, from setting up an account to running automated campaigns. After signing up, the first thing you notice is the clean dashboard. It's well organized, making it easy for beginners to navigate. The menu on the left gives you access to key features like email campaigns, automation, list management, and reports. Setting up your first email list is straightforward. You enter your business details, customize confirmation emails, and you're ready to start collecting subscribers. Point one of the highlights of AWeber is its automation. You can create autoresponders, which send a series of emails to subscribers automatically based on triggers. The drag-and-drop campaign builder makes this process intuitive. You can set conditions, delays, and actions without any coding knowledge. However, if you need advanced automation features like conditional logic or behavior-based segmentation, AWeber might feel a bit limited compared to competitors. When it comes to email creation, AWeber offers a rich selection of templates. There are hundreds of pre-designed email templates, which can be customized using the drag-and-drop editor. The customization options are decent, allowing you to tweak colors, fonts, and images easily. However, some templates feel slightly outdated compared to modern designs from competitors. List management is another essential aspect of email marketing, and AWeber makes it relatively easy. You can segment your audience based on tags, custom fields, and behavior. This helps in sending more targeted emails and improving engagement. The sign-up forms are also simple to create and embed on your website, though the design options could be more flexible. Deliverability is one of AWeber's strengths. The platform is known for ensuring that emails land in inboxes instead of spam folders. They use strong email authentication methods, and their reputation with ISPs is solid. However, email success also depends on factors like list quality and content. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about integrations. AWeber connects with popular tools like WordPress, Shopify, PayPal, and Zapier, making it easier to sync your email marketing with your website and e-commerce platforms. The API also allows custom integrations for developers who want more control. Pricing is another factor to consider. AWeber offers a free plan with basic features, but it's limited to 500 subscribers. The paid plans start at an affordable rate and scale up as your list grows. Compared to competitors, AWeber is reasonably priced but lacks some advanced features that other platforms offer at similar price points. Customer support is responsive and helpful. You get access to live chat, phone support, and a rich knowledge base with tutorials and guides. This is a plus, especially for beginners who might need assistance when setting up their first campaigns. So, is AWeber the right email marketing tool for you? If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform with great deliverability, basic automation, and solid customer support, AWeber is a reliable choice. However, if you need more advanced automation, modern templates, and deep segmentation features, you might want to explore other options before deciding. Let me know in the comments what you think about AWeber, or if you have any questions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews on digital marketing tools. Thanks for watching.